Alright, guys. I'm having this really... I'm having this really bad hiccup problem right now. And I can't stop. It just feels like I'm meant to be sick every single time I hiccup. Wait for it. There we go. It won't stop. I heard if you do that, it just stop the hiccups. Oh my god. Now, I just noticed this problem just then. I usually hiccup like this, so I usually go like that. And most people hiccup like this. I usually go like I usually hiccup like this and go but my hiccups are like, but now tonight they're like that. It's annoying. Or my yeah, I'm at Lamb's house. By the way, I should put this on deck time sometime. It's a little vlog. Shut up. I really hate my hiccups right now because I nearly burp every time. Okay, so I'm gonna keep on talking. Shut up. And then ready, which is I'm just gonna let a really loud tone. Ready? It's not coming anymore. Okay. Okay, ready? Okay, I'm trying to get rid of it now.
Tell the channel that
I'll try to get rid of it.
Tell the channel that we're sorry.
I'm sorry for not uploading any more videos. I don't know why. It's gonna be the next video. Busy.
You can blame school. It's a pain in the ass. What the fuck?
Oh, it's annoying. So here's my little hiccup problem that I have. I don't really like it at all. Say bye to Liam.
Bye.
Okay, now I'm just gonna do some one more time. Ready? What?
I was laughing at you both.
Okay, that's it. I'll try and fix it, and I'll post back to you when I do fix it. I don't want to sleep when I'm like this. Bye.